Welcome, sixth grade. This is the instructional video on how to build a popsicle stick catapult. So we're going to need a few items here, and some of these items you may never have used before, but you need to be careful. And in fact, I'm probably not going to allow you to use the hot glue gun without me being there. But if I'm there, then the hot glue gun you can use. This is just the video on showing you what to do and how to do it. So first thing is that I've got my materials, and we're going to talk about all the materials that I have. I have a hot glue gun, and it's got two buttons on it, a high and a low. You want to be on high. I have a piece of wax paper, and both of these, actually all of these things, including the glue sticks that are in the back, of the hot glue gun, these glue sticks. They're all located in the same place. They're located next to the drill press. If you're looking at the drill press, right before you go into the storage room where you kept your cars, you will see a white bin that looks like a goggle cabinet. And in there will be your hot glue guns. On top of it will be your wax paper. And on top of that, it will be a little bucket with some more hot glue sticks in it. So you'll need those. You will need 10, and I mean 10 popsicle sticks, which your substitute or I will give you. There's a little basket with everything in it. You will need 3 rubber bands, which I will also give you, or the substitute will give you, and you need 1 bottle cap. This is really simple to do. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 8 of the 10 bottle caps. 8 of the 10 popsicle sticks, and you're going to stack them up like this. Now you're going to take 1 of your rubber bands, and you're going to wrap it around the popsicle stick. Now, and I don't want this to sound like a gender thing, but like most girls are used to doing this because they can tie ponytails up. So if you're not used to doing this, please do not make someone do this, but ask or help somebody else out. But you twist. So that's what you do. You twist, put your finger out, and wrap it around. And then you do the same thing, and you wrap it around. That's exactly how I do it. There might be other people who have better ways of doing that. But this is how I learned. So you're just going to wrap it. You don't have to make it too tight, but just tight enough so that the popsicle sticks can't fall apart. Pretty easy. All right, now let's number these popsicle sticks 1 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in between 7 and 8, we're going to make a little gap. And we're going to slide one of those popsicle sticks between that gap, just like that. And you want to make it not like a plane, so you don't want it to be like that. You don't want it to be like a cross. You want it to be like an X or a plus sign so that they're equal in distance. Once you get that in there, then you're going to take your next rubber band and you're going to wrap it around the other side, doing the same thing that you did on the first side, making sure that it's tight, but not too tight, so that it can keep the popsicle stick in the middle and nothing can get out. And there it is. Just set it up like that. Once you have that done, well, now we have to get to the last popsicle stick, which will be this one. And this one will go over the top. So this is the bottom, the one that we just put in. We're going to put the next popsicle stick over the top, connecting the points. This might be the hardest one to do, but we have to do it. And we're going to wrap the popsicle stick around that side as well. This one should be tight, but not too tight as well, so that when we're using this as a catapult, because that's what we're going to do, we're going to need that. Whatever you do, don't pull down on the catapult because you'll snap your popsicle stick. Don't pull and hold. It's like a flick. That's all you're doing. All right, now we have to put this one, we have to put some hot glue on this one. And that'll be a step that we do before that we put this on, but I just want you to get this done in class if I'm not here, which is why I ran this right now. So this is what you're going to get done before, like if I'm not in the classroom, this is what I want you to get done so that you're not using hot glue guns. And it might take you close to the period to do this, but this is what you need. Now, if you think you can do more, that's okay. You can simply just take the rubber band off, take your popsicle stick, and you're going to attach your cap to the top of the popsicle stick. So what you're going to be making is something that looks like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little hot glue, and it's important to do it on the wax paper so you don't hot glue the popsicle stick to the table. But you just need to press down a little bit and make a little glob of hot glue. Not too much, just a little bit. So it looks like that. Then you're going to take your cap and you're going to place it down on top of that and just wait. And you'll wait like maybe a minute and it'll be solid, but not perfect. We have to do something else that'll be on the back. So what you're going to do after that's solid, you're going to flip it over. And on the back, you're going to take the hot glue, and I'm going to try to get closer with my camera here so that you can actually see what we're doing. Hopefully that's not blurry. And what we're going to do is we're going to spread hot glue from the cap across the popsicle stick to the other cap, so that you're giving a nice, like, joined hot glue from cap to popsicle stick. If you just put it on the cap to the popsicle stick on the other side, it'll pop, the entire cap might pop off. But doing this joint right here, this is a really important thing. It'll hold everything on and it'll keep it together. Now, the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to strengthen up the popsicle stick. So when all of this glues and it stays glued, what you're going to do, and I'll see if I have any that are not done. Oh, they all have it. So we'll just show you one. You're going to add a line of glue down the center of the popsicle stick. Having that line of glue on the center of the popsicle stick keeps the popsicle stick from breaking. It's not a foolproof plan. It might snap anyway, but just having a line of glue is going to be important. Now, I'm going to turn this over because I have a feeling it's just going to stick to the thing, but I don't really care right now. It's really simple. What you're going to do is you're going to hold the popsicle stick cap and then squeeze and just lay a little bead of hot glue down on your popsicle stick, and then you're done. And you'll wait another 2 to 3 minutes for that to be done. And then when you have everything done, you're going to attach your popsicle stick to the catapult. The same way that we just did it before. Just like this. And now we're done. And there is your popsicle stick catapult, which we will be doing in our next class, launching some pieces of paper off. So when you're done with this, though, you're going to need to add some things to your popsicle stick. So first, you're going to need to put your name on the bottom of this. Second, you're going to need to put your team number somewhere visible. I don't really care where you put it, but somewhere visible. And then third, and very simple, you're going to design. Make it look nice. See what you can come up with, because that's what we're looking for. And that is the instructional video on how to make a popsicle stick catapult. Have fun.